This brown rice stir fry is a wonderful lunch or side dish that fits right into your diabetes diet. Hi, I'm Carol Mirko of Heirloom Meals. Brown rice helps fight high blood sugar because it is a complex carbohydrate with a healthy fiber. It also has a really nice nutty flavor. Leftover brown rice can make an interesting second meal. This is a great time to get creative. We can use some colorful peppers full of beta-carotene and vitamins, and most of us have garlic and onions, some leftover bits of broccoli, some mushrooms, and even a carrot or two. More color and more vitamins. We'll start with our favorite, olive oil. A couple of tablespoons will do. Then we add the onions. Now, the rest of the veggies we're going to saute until browned. Toss the brown rice with a little olive oil. And now we'll add the brown rice to the pan. We want to brown the rice a bit, even though it's called brown already, so we turn up the heat and stir for about 5 minutes. For more flavor, I'm adding some low-sodium soy sauce. And you can even add an egg at this point, but that's entirely optional. Either way, it's delicious. Bon appetit!